Okay, first we're gonna make our dough. So I got 1 packet of instant yeast, 1/2 cup of warm water. Get that going, set that aside. Next in our mixer, we're gonna add in our white sugar and salt. We're gonna put in our 1/2 cup of butter, and we're gonna get that creamed. Next, we're gonna add in our buttermilk. Our yeast mixture. And our baking soda and baking powder. Next, we're going to add in 2 cups of flour to start with. Next, we're going to add in our remaining 4 cups slowly. Okay, we're going to switch out this to the dough hook. Two more cups left. Okay, and here's the last of 6 cups. A lot of flour. All right, now the dough is getting to where it's just a little bit sticky. I think we're good now. Yep, just a little bit sticky. So we're gonna turn this out and knead it on the counter a little bit. All right, let's dust a surface. We're gonna knead this just a little bit till it gets smooth. Well, I think I like that. I think we're gonna put that back in the bowl for 10 minutes, and as that's puffing up a little bit, we're gonna make our caramel sauce. All right, so in our saucepan for our caramel sauce, we're gonna combine our butter, brown sugar, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. 1, 2. All right, we're going to heat that up, melt until it gets a little bit sticky. Off. Next, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. 6 rolls, 6 cinnamon rolls in each of these. First, I'm going to spray this little pan. Next, we're going to dump this in half and half as best we can. There we go. Set those aside. All right, I got some flour on my countertop. I got this roughly to like 18 by 10 inches because that is how we want to roll out our dough. Get the old kitchen tape measure out. 10 by 18. There we go. Next, we're going to take 3 tablespoons of softened butter, and we're going to smear it on. Ready? Okay. Next, we're going to take our white sugar and cinnamon, and we're going to spread this on our Next, this is what turns them into rolls. So we're going to take it lengthwise. We're going to start to roll this up. Ooh, baby. Look right, like I said, we're gonna cut this into 6 rolls, so I'm gonna figure out how to get, or I'm sorry, 12 rolls. So we're gonna cut this into 12 equal-ish pieces. I'm just gonna do this. There we go. One. Okay, there we go. Okay. These aren't going to be very even, but that's okay. We're going to be unique, just like me. Right, Truffin?
Yeah.
So now we're going to take 6 of these in each. Here's the little guy. Mama bear. 6. All right, and we're gonna put these in the oven for about 25-30 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 25 minutes.
Good afternoon, Jason.
All right. There we go. Smells amazing. We're gonna let these cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna invert these into a different pan. All right, now that these have cooled down significantly, they're still just a little bit warm. We gotta flip these over ever so carefully. Boom. Next, we're gonna do this one. And boom. And there you go. This little guy didn't flip, but